Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you one of my favorites DIY homemade scrub. And trust me guys, for this homemade product, you don't need to buy anything because you'll get everything right in your kitchen. After using this scrub, your skin will feel well exfoliated, hydrated, conditioned, which is very important for your skin. Most of us do not consider exfoliating important and ignore this step, but trust me guys, this is very important as it effectively unclogs your pores and therefore reduces acne, and it also helps removing dead and dry skin. It will also help other skincare products penetrate deep into your face, and it makes your skin even toned. Guys, I can keep going on and on about the benefits of exfoliating, but now without any delay, let's hop to the ingredients required for this DIY face scrub. So guys, the first ingredient required for this DIY is coffee ground. The second ingredient required for this DIY is vitamin E capsules. The third ingredient is olive oil, and the last ingredient required for this DIY is honey. Now first I'm gonna take a bowl. Now I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons of coffee to it. Coffee ground makes a great exfoliant. The caffeic acid, which is an antioxidant present in coffee, boosts collagen levels and reduces premature aging of cells. Now I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of olive oil to it. Now I'll be adding a vitamin E capsule to it. And you have to add 2 teaspoons of honey to it. Honey is great for your skin. It helps in lightening your skin, and its antibacterial properties helps fade the acne scars. Stir and blend all the ingredients thoroughly, and if you feel the scrub is quite dense, then you can add honey accordingly. Now apply it in a circular motion on your cheeks, then on your forehead, then on the area under your eyes. Don't be very harsh as this area is very sensitive. Now use your fingertips to massage the product gently into your skin. Don't forget to massage it on your neck. Leave this for 5 minutes at least. Now we are done with 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna take it out right in front of you guys and show you the instant results. Wow, my skin feels softer to touch, and as you can see, it has a radiant glow. I am very much happy with the results. Now a few advice from my side guys. While scrubbing, be careful with the area under your eyes as this area is very sensitive, and don't be very harsh with your skin. And one personal advice from my side guys, I'd prefer doing this at bathroom itself because this can mess up your whole home. You can do this step before taking a shower because this is gonna mess up your whole floor and you will require a lot of time cleaning it. Guys, this step takes barely 5 minutes in the morning, so you can do it twice a week. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.